Well, SpongeBob, what would you like to do now that we have our 1,000 paint cans?
Oh, this is so exciting. Well, I can tell Mr. Krabs that we didn't lose any, and he'll be very happy. And then I don't know what to do. What do you think we should do, Mr. T'Challa?
Well, remember when we were subtracting, you said we hadn't practiced counting backwards.
Oh, that's right. You want to count backwards with me?
Actually, SpongeBob, I need to get back to painting my jet. But I think you could count backwards on your own.
On my own? That sounds scary. I don't think I can do it.
Oh, sure you can, SpongeBob. Here, look at what we have so far.
We have 1,000 paint cans.
Very good. Now, did you notice that we could call this one group of 1,000? Or, if we wanted, we could call it 10 groups of 100.
That's how you knew when we would get to 1,000 before we even got there. You just had to count to 10 because you were counting how many groups of 100.
That's right, SpongeBob. You figured out my secret trick. Oh boy. Now, here's an even more secret trick. I could also say that 1,000 is just 100 groups of 10.
I don't get it.
Well, you might not have to today, but start by taking off one of those cans for me and tell me what we have.
Shouldn't I take one off the very top so it doesn't collapse?
Yes, you should.
How am I going to get to the very top?
Oh, let me get a ladder for you, SpongeBob. Do you keep ladders in your paint shop?
I don't think so.
Well, I guess a staircase will have to do then. Look out! All right. Here you go, SpongeBob. Take off the very top can.
The top can is part of a group of 10.
That's correct.
And that group of 10 is part of a group of 100.
That is also correct.
So, I'm going to have to break the groups?
Yes, SpongeBob. And that helps us see why we're counting the way we count down. Once you break up that group of 100, we no longer have one group of 1,000.
Oh, that's kind of sad.
Well, we could always rebuild it later, SpongeBob.
Oh, well, that's not so sad. Okay, so I don't have a group of 100, but you know what? I really didn't need to knock all these columns down, did I?
No, we just needed one can off the first column.
Oh, okay, let me fix it. Okay, and then I just need the top can off of here.
And since we're breaking the group, we'll just break the whole group.
Wow. So, I'll get rid of this one can.
Good. Now remember, we started at 1,000 because we had one group of 1,000. We don't have a group of 1,000 anymore. But do we still have groups of hundreds?
Yeah, I didn't touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 9 whole groups I didn't even touch.
That means we have 900. And what about the groups of 10?
Well, there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 10.
Good, SpongeBob. And how many cans do we have that aren't in a group?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I have 999.
Yes, SpongeBob. And then if you keep counting down,
then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 groups of 100.
Did you have to count those again, SpongeBob?
Oh, I didn't, because I didn't touch any of the groups of 100.
Very good.
And so I didn't touch any of the groups of 10, so I still have 990. And I don't even have to count these.
Really, SpongeBob? Are you sure?
Yeah, because I had 9, and I took away 1, and so I just count down from 9 to 8. So now I have 998.
You see, SpongeBob? You don't need my help at all. You just keep counting. It'll be great practice for you.
Okay, so I'll get rid of a can and count down every time. So from 1,000, I had 999, and then 998, and now 997.
Great, SpongeBob. I'll leave you to it. I'll be over painting my jet if you need me.
Okay, this'll be easy. 996, 995, 994, 993, 992, 991, 990. Nah! Now I just have to climb back to the top and take one off. No, when I take one off, I have to take off the whole group. Oh my, those landed quite conveniently. Let's see, where was I? I still have 900, and I used to have 990. Oh, and then when I get rid of one, I have 989, 988, 987, 986, 985, 984, 983, 982, 981, 980. And then if I keep going from 980, here's 979, 978, 977, 976, 975, 974, 973, 972, 971, 970. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. $969, 968, 967, 966, 965, 964, 963, 962, 961, 960. I wonder if this is safe. Nah. 959, 958, 957, 956, 955, 954, 953, 952, 951, 950. Well, I'm gonna break the whole stack, so I might as well just lift this one up from the bottom. This is so easy. I really don't need Mr. T'Challa's help. 949, 948, 947, 946, 945, 944, 943, 942, 941, 940. Oh boy. And then if I keep going, I'll have 939, 938, 937, 936, 935, 934, 933, 932, 931, 930. Oh boy. 929, 928, 927, 926, 925, 924, 923, 922, 921, and 920. 919, 918, 917, 916, 915, 914, 913, 912, 911, 910. This is a little tiring though. 909, 908, 907, 906, 905, 904, 903, 902, 901, 900. And then all I have to do is climb up the staircase and do it all again. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna break up this group of 100 and this group of 10. Okay, let's see. Where was I? 899, 898, 897, 896, 895, 894, 8. Wow.